Let's go.
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a wig review, a very fast one. This is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. You've seen me do many reviews on this hair. This was sent to me. As always, even though I don't spend my coins and things are sent to me, I am still going to give my 100% opinionated, real opinion on the hair. So this is 100% human hair. It is a body wave 16 inch. All y'all that do know me, I like my wigs a little bit short now, and I do like them long, but they have to be from at least 18 to 22. So this came to me 2 days ago in a regular Amazon. They are based on Amazon.com. So it came to me 2 days ago. It is based on Amazon, so I will have the information linked below. Also, I will have a coupon code for you by moi and the company, so that you can get it, you know, a little something off of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. In the box comes a really cute headband. This is a 4x4 wig, really cute headband, and a wig cap, which I don't use any of. Okay, so let's kind of get into it. So this hair is basically ombre. It is it's a 4B30. Again, if I say it before, it's in body wave 16 inches, and it comes in this really cute FB30, basically ombre-ish color in body wave. It is very full. Yeah, I got these glittery nails on, so everything is getting stuck. So this is, no, I'm mistaken. This is a T-wig. If you don't know what a T-wig is, it's just basically you can wear this wig one way, and that's down the middle because of that straight line. It does have like the 13x6 lace, so it gives you at least about 3 inches of lace on the side, but enough if you wanted to put it in an updo. But I wouldn't recommend with like T-part wigs unless you just really legit like that. But other than that, I wouldn't kind of recommend it. I do need something to cut my lace. This is why my videos be long. I be forgetting stuff. Okay, so I am going to cut the lace off this wig, and we're going to get into it. Lord, I can't talk. I don't know where my black wig cap is, so I am just going to sit this on top of my braids once I cut this off, and I'll be right back. I'm back. As you can see, I am going to place this wig on top of my braids because I don't know where my wig cap is. But we gonna make it do what it do. Okay, already with the wig going on, I'm in love. So I did spray the lace with this tinted lace in dark brown. So as you can see, I cut off the lace. So this is the wig straight out of the pack. This is how it looks. This is the color on the side. These are the body waves. I'm gonna be quite frank and honest. I don't like the body wave on short wigs, on 16-inch wig, because it just, to me, it doesn't look right. That's just my opinion. It does not look right. But as you can tell, with me spraying that tint lace on, you can even tell where the lace starts and ends. So I will give it that. This is that soft Swiss lace, so that's a pro. That is like literally soft Swiss lace. It is big head friendly. I was able to put it on, and even with my braids, this wig ain't going nowhere. I don't think you necessarily need glue to glue it down. All you got to do is cut the lace off, and it lays right down. So that's a pro. Another thing is you can style it how you want to. I would recommend probably bumping something up in the front, you know, to give your face some frame, because there is layers in it. That's another thing that kind of irks my soul just a little bit when they try to pre-layer things. Let the person that buy the wig, that, you know, do that. But this is a beautiful wig. I do love the color. I love that about this wig. The color it's beautiful. It's like, it's really cute. So I got my iron over here. What I'm gonna do is we gonna see how it curls, because y'all know me. We gonna get a wig. We gotta make sure that she holds a beautiful curl. So I'm using my curling roller. I forget what it's called. I'm gonna have the link in the box below, y'all. This thing is, I love this thing. Okay. Okay. I see you. Okay, it's holding a cute curl. All right. Okay. I see you. That is amazeballs. Okay. I like that. It's holding a really good curl. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's holding a really cute curl. Okay, so that's a plus for me. I just wish the highlight came all the way up to here. You know what I'm saying? The dye came all the way up here. Cause it's like in the bottom and then a little bit in layers. I just wish it came to, you know, the root. Cause it's giving me that, y'all remember when Keisha Cole, back in the day, Keisha Cole used to have just this, all this dye and then just a root. It would be that long root too, and it didn't look real. But I can fix it, so I ain't worried too much about it because I can fix that myself. Look at that. Ooh, that's a pretty curl, hon. That's a pretty curl. Okay, so I'm gonna curl the rest of the wig like this, and then I'm gonna post on Instagram so y'all can see what it looks like. How about that? So it does hold a fantastic curl. That's another pro. The hair is very nice, very bouncy, very luscious. It's not giving off that real fakey shine, overshining look. It's giving off that very healthy shine. So I do love that. I do love this parting, baby. This is giving you at least about 6 inches of parting, and it looks very natural. It looks melted into my scalp. Because this is a Swiss lace, please be careful with your scissors, honey. I almost literally cut through the lace. That's how soft it is. So pay attention. Pay attention, pay attention. You're going to love this. Once you kind of finesse it to your liking, you're gonna love it. On camera it might look a little crazy. That's because, y'all, I haven't curled the rest of the wig. This is body weight and 16 inches. It retails, I believe, for $100, if I'm not mistaken, $120. Like I said, I will have the link below for you so that you can make that choice on whether or not you want to buy this wig. That is always your choice, not mine. Let me pull that back, because baby, would I say that this is a wig worth the buy for first time beginners? T-part wigs are always great for beginner friendly people trying to move over to the wig side. T-part wigs are really good, like a beginner friendly wig that you can mess around and play with, that is perfect for you just starting. So I like the wig. There's only a few cons, but nothing kind of outshine the pros. It's really pretty. It's pretty. Once I continue to finesse it how I want to, and y'all see it on Instagram, baby, she's going to be a licker. Already out the pack, she's flat. That's another A1 for me. Thumbs up. I give this literally a really big thumbs up. So this comes to the conclusion of my video. It's been fun. It's been real. I shall catch y'all in the next one. Okay, it's a blooper. So I know y'all want to see it on Instagram, but I came back, so I curled the entire wig. Let me just say, still cute, still cute. So I thought I'd just show y'all it all curled and everything. There is a couple of loose curls. I noticed that the back it still holds an amazing curl, but they get loose really quickly. But that's the back, not the front. So yeah, I'm gonna try to curl them again and try to get some big curls so I can get the look that I'm looking for on IG. So yeah, y'all, this is how she looks. She looks really cute. She looks really cute. I'm trying to get down the swoop, the whole swoop shebang thing. I ain't got it down yet. I'm still working on it. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all later.